good afternoon. That is the Arenal Volcano, a young volcano, about 7,500 years old, 5,300 feet tall. Too bad we can't see the top of it right now. It is currently dormant. It last erupted from 1968 until 2010. More than 40 years of eruptions there, but has been dormant since 2010. So probably won't be going off today. We'll find out. This is La Fortuna, heading down that way. I'm staying at a hotel right down there. Just arrived yesterday. Got a rental car and drove up from San Jose. A couple of hours drive. It is middle of the afternoon. I want to get closer to that volcano there. I need to find out what all the various options are. That is probably going to be a big adventure. Hopefully you can like hike up there or something. I'm not really sure. Just figuring it out. But for today, I'm going to a waterfall. So going to head back to my rental car and drive to the La Fortuna Waterfall, about 5 kilometers away. Awesome Caribbean restaurant here, La Carabena. There's the car. The waterfall is out this way. It's raining, so parking is free. The waterfall is not. It is an expensive waterfall hike. Brought my wristband. 11,400 colones, 18 bucks. But look at that jungle. Incredible. About a 20-minute hike, I guess. Stoked to get into the rainforest. I'm sure that I will find some more hikes that aren't $18 and less tourists around. I got my rain jacket in the backpack here. It is always there, just in case. There it is. Phenomenal. But there is more of a hike involved, so hopefully we will be getting a lot closer. Definitely getting the rainforest experience with this rain here. You don't get lush tropical paradise without some precipitation. It is a 600-meter hike, 500 steps, waterfall, and there is a garden. I guess that is the Orchids Trail. All right, which way? What does it say? Nice. What an epic view. So you can swim. I didn't bring my swim trunks. Didn't think about it, and not really swimming weather, but you can go for it. Also in the river. Got to be careful, these rocks are crazy slippery. But these are not flip-flops, these are my sturdy sport sandals. As good as anything for this kind of hiking, especially when it's wet. I would rather have these kind of sandals on than shoes and socks and be getting your shoes all wet and sweaty. But either way, this would be an easy place to slip and break something. Would you like to know more information about the seeds of Kaubilla tree? This is it right here, Kaubilla. I'm assuming that's what the big one is. And here's the river. You can go swimming here as well. Looks like a great spot for it. Nice. Cool bench. And it looks like this is a zip line right here. Going up there. Maybe it's not in use right now. And it turned out that the right-hand path up there was the right way. I was thinking maybe there would be a loop, and when you get down here then there would be another trail that would go along and then go up that other way, but not the case, just the one path. So now I'm curious what the other trail leads to, so I'll kind of walk down that a little ways and find out. All right, back at the junction. Let's see if I can find out what's down here without too much of a downhill hike, preferably. Let's see. There is a network of interactions between the plants and animals in the forests that are so complex we can't truly know how many species are involved. For example, mahogany trees produce a fruit that is eaten by agoutis. Orchid pollinating female bees use agoutis' feces to build their nests. And so this does not go down the mountain. I guess this goes up to the garden. There are over 1,600 orchid species in Costa Rica. This garden houses over 1,000 individuals from 200 different species. And I just heard the zip line going, I guess. So I guess it's in operation. Oh yeah, Toucan Sam. Can't wait to see some of this wildlife. Coati, I love the coati. I've seen them in Mexico. Hummingbirds. And so that other trail there is in fact a loop, just a small loop that is the Orchids Trail. And I can hear the zip line again. So I can see the person. Wow, now I can see it's actually a different zip line than the one that I saw down there because it starts there. I can see some people just like embedded in the jungle there. Epic. And there someone goes. Hard to see them, they're wearing kind of dark clothes. We'll have to look into the ziplining experience in the coming days. I have never done it before, so this is a good spot for sure. That was totally worth it despite the kind of hefty price tag to see a waterfall, but I'm sure that I will see more waterfalls, probably some for free. There is much more to see in this amazing tropical rainforest paradise. So there's the parking lot. There's where you walk over to the waterfall on the other side of this fence. I saw that there was this gravel road going up, so figured see where it goes. I can hear the waterfall down there. So far so good. This is a substantial road. It's got to be going somewhere. No sign saying, you know, do not enter or private property or anything. Ah, there we go. Propiedad privado, prohibido el paso. But no signs here. How, that's solid. Alright, just gotta poke around a little bit, some horse prints. Okay, maybe get a view from up here. Some kind of little shack. What is this about? Totally overgrown. Nothing in here. It is funky. Oh, here we got skeletal remains. Probably a sort of barn, some kind of animal shed for keeping chickens or goats or something. And then if one wanted to, you could just like go deep down into the jungle greenery there, it looks like. But I think I will pass on that one for today. Not sure what kind of predatory wildlife might be around. You didn't say anything on those, you know, signs about jaguars or what else is there, like pigs, I guess. So probably not a very likely thing to come across. If there are jaguars around, I'm sure that they are very rare and probably way back up in there. But nice to get a little taste of the wild jungle. So this is that same river, the La Fortuna, and looks like this is a good spot to go if you want to take a swim for free. And so the path continues. Looks like private property right there. Must be an amazing place to live. But this path keeps on going. Nice, you can find some swimming holes to yourself, it looks like. Brilliant. And the path keeps on going that way. Let's take a closer look here. Great little spot. And I just gotta keep going a little further, see where this trail is going. Looks like to another swimming spot. Nice. Ultimate. Looks like this tree fell down in a storm, probably. And so I got a pork dish, chifrillo, with pork and beans, pico de gallo, avocado, some water, and also a side of guacamole and chips. Looks amazing.